Love your mama? Then make sure to like our videos. Your mama!
Hey Team Brody, Zach here, the creator and producer of Your Mama, aka Brody's boss, and I teamed up with Ironside. Not only did they hook us up with two 22-inch monitors, a keyboard with an assortment of lights, because that's pretty cool, game controller, speakers, headset, the whole 9 yards, but we also got this insane PC that we're going to unbox. And boy is it a beast. It weighs about a good, I don't know, I think it was like close to 60 pounds. Wow, this thing is huge. Oh, I gotta flip the thing? I gotta flip this thing? What the? That's the most intuitive thing to do with a PC, right? Okay, so we're gonna take this box off. Bam! This is called the Conqueror Ultra. The Conqueror case, because we are here to conquer some cool gameplay videos. And you might be wondering, why do we need this? In case you haven't noticed, animating Brody Foxx takes up a lot of CPU power.
Look at this dummy. He doesn't even know I'm here. I'm gonna shut up. Oh, it's dead. It's dead.
We're gonna remove foam parts and plastic. Okay, so I gotta remove the other box now. Dun 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 dun. Wow, that is a beast. That looks like a small child. Just do that. According to the instructions that I once had somewhere around here, gently remove the padding on the inside. Oh, I gotta remove padding on the inside. Oh, there's more on this side. I guess, Zach, you should pay attention to both sides of the computer. I'm basically unscrewing the glass so I can get all the padding out. There we go. You can give that to a dog or something. I think at the end of the day, if you're gonna spend money on a PC, this is the way to go. And I'm telling you, when it comes to running an animation studio and doing gameplays and things like that all at the same time, you need something that can handle it. And our little PCs, our little laptops simply couldn't do it anymore. Alright, next thing I need to do is go through this little black box, right? According to the instructions, I need to locate the power cord for your computer in the black Ironside accessories box and plug your computer in. And I'm guessing this is the power cord. Again, I don't know a lot about PCs, but I do know that this thing is amazing. Between the cooling system, the memory, the graphic cards, everything's incredible. I'll put the specs up on the screen, and you can also check the description down below for the specs as well. And if you're looking for a beautiful PC like this, go check out Ironside Computers. The link is down below in the description. They did give us a promo code, YOMAMA, so you can get 5% off. So we're going to go ahead and finish the entire setup here by unboxing this and getting all this connected to the computer, and we'll see how this baby runs. Now again, you might be wondering, why would I need a rig like this from Ironside? Well, as I was telling you earlier, we're trying to do animated gameplay videos. What we do is we utilize the video game over here on the monitor, and over here we have Adobe Character Animator running with a webcam masking my face in real time, and we have OBS Studios over here recording everything simultaneously, just to make it look like a real gameplay video. And so, as I talk and play, the character right here next to me will be able to do exactly as I do in real time. Which, by the way, between the video game and OBS recording it and Character Animator recording me, it is quite the processing power. So there you have it, guys. That right there is why we're using the Ironside computer rig. And I'm going to go ahead and try to get a dub.
289. Yeah, I see. Yeah. Oh, I hit him. 285 building. They seem pretty desperate. Yeah, that storm's gonna push them, I guess. Oh, there he is, running. Hang gliding. Hang gliding to the south. There he is, landing. He's right behind that little hill. I'm gonna put pressure on him. You should be able to get him. Nice.